Day 9, we're off to the water park and we're going to try Blizzard Beach this time. Hopefully we'll get somewhere in the shade because today's a really hot day. So we thought we'd actually swap things around about, and we're going to do the theme park later on tonight, so probably Hollywood Studios. And then we're hoping to go down to Port Orleans and catch the jazz player that plays in the lounge down there.
You guys look totally awesome, am I right? Yes? That next class, we are going to deactivate. Now, when I say deactivate here at the Academy, I mean simply push it back in with your hands. So everybody try that. Deactivate those lightsabers. Very good. Not a good idea if it was a real lightsaber. You get that cold, right? You'd end up with a permanent peephole in your hand. You'd be like the world's worst peekaboo player.
Lord Vader, the area is secure.
Darth Vader. So what do we owe this visit?
You may dispense with the pleasantries. I come with an offer for an even greater journey. You have all only begun to discover your power. Join me, and I will complete your training. If you only knew the power of the dark side.
I think we should go.
Good idea. Bad idea. That way. Hello. I'll be going this way.
Oh, boys, allow me. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
If you see this, back to your Muppet Show.
Muppets. Muppets.
Muppets 3D.
Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask! That's not bad. Oh, sorry, lady!
1939. The Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star, a beacon for the show business elite. Until 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. Now that door has opened once again. For you.
We're in the Port Orleans Riverside food court. We've all just got create your own pasta. It's very yummy. Is it good? It's good.
Under the sea, sing it! Diamond is fair, diamond is fair, take it from me. Up on the shore they were guarding, and in the sun they slave away. I'll be the boat, full time before under the sea. I know what you're thinking. We need some hand clapping from everybody. Let's go! Down here the fish are happy, as through the waves they flow. The fish on the land ain't happy, they sack as they in the cold. The fish in the bowl are lucky, they should never worse thing. One day the boss get hungry, guess we're gonna be on that plate. Under the sea, sing it! Nobody beat us fries, oh years in efficacy. We want the land folk love to cook. Under the sea we ought to look. Got no troubles, loud as the bubbles under the sea. Oh, this is fun. Oh, you got your shoes, get ready. Kick off your leg. Oh, had you really loud. From now on tonight, anytime you guys hear me blow this horn, that's your cue to stand up and do that Tarzan scream as loud as you can. Let's practice one time. Ready? Tomorrow's just a dream away. Man has a dream, and that's the style. He follows his dream with mind and eye. And when it becomes a reality, it's a dream come true for you and me. So there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Sing it! Shine at me every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Just a dream away. Somebody shout out where you can hear that song. You know what Carousel Brothers, the Sherman Brothers. See if you know this one. In the ticky road. All the birds sing words and the flowers grow in the ticky. Welcome to a tropical highway, all you lucky people, you. If it weren't for the show starting right away, we'd be in the audience too, all together in the ticky road. All the birds sing words and the flowers croon in the ticky.
We somehow made it up to the top of the World Lounge.
What's special? I think it's the first time I've had a posh cocktail wearing trainers.
Yeah. We're not dressed for this. These are our cocktails. Mark and Dad's beers. And this is the view. Oh, there's the Main Street Electrical Parade.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah. Look at that. There's Alice and the caterpillar. And there the only tall ones that we can see.